Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, we're going to be solving this exponential equation. So we have the square root of x plus 1 equals x minus 1. And as you can see, we have a square root here, and we want to get rid of that. That's our goal. So what we're going to do is we're going to square both sides. Now, the square root and the power of 2, these two cancel. So this side will be left with x plus 1, and this is equal to x minus 1 squared, which is x squared minus 2x plus 1. Now, we're going to subtract x plus 1 on both sides. So if we subtract x plus 1 on both sides, it's actually in parentheses. So this is, we get 0, because these two cancel out, equals x squared. Negative 2x minus x is negative 3x. And 1 minus 1 is simply 0. So now we have 0 equals x squared minus 3x plus 0. So now what we're going to do is we're going to factor out x from this. So we're going to factor out x, which would leave us with x squared divided by x is x, and negative 3x divided by x is simply negative 3. So we have x times x minus 3, and this is still equal to 0. Now this would actually turn into two equations. This would turn into x equals 0 and x minus 3 equals 0. Now x equals 0 is already a solution, so we could go ahead and circle this. This is already a solution. For x minus 3 equals 0, we simply add 3 on both sides, and these two cancel out, so we get x equals 3. So we have x equals 0 and x equals 3. Now if we plug in 0 into the equation, we get the square root of 0 plus 1 is 1 equals 0 minus 1 is negative 1. Now the square root of 1 is actually 1 or negative 1. I know most people think that it's just 1, but it's actually 1 or negative 1, or 1 and negative 1. So this is right. This is a solution. Now let's plug in 3. We have the square root of 3 plus 1 is 4 equals 3 minus 1 is 2. Now the square root of 4 is 2, so we have 2 equals 2, and this is right as well. Back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 3 to the power of x equals 243, and our goal is to find the value of x. So whenever we're solving exponential equations like this, we always want to make our bases here, which in this case are 3 and 243, we want to make them the same. Because let's say we have a to the power of x equals a to the power of c, right? Because our bases are same in this case, we know that our exponents are the same as well. So we could just set them equal to each other. We know that x is equal to c. So in this case, if we make our bases the same, then we know that our exponents are the same as well, and then we can find the value of x easily. So we have 3 to the power of x equals 243. So how would we convert one of these numbers to make the other one the same as this one? Well, let's do 243. 243 is equal to 3 to the power of what? 3 to the power of 5. 243 is equal to 3 to the power of 5. So what we're going to do is we're going to write 3 to the power of x equals 3 to the power of 5, because 243 is 3 to the power of 5. Now, our bases are the same, so we know that our exponents here, x and 5, we know that these two are the same as well. So now, we could simply make these two equal each other. So x equals 5. And this is our answer. So it's as simple as that. And we already know that 243 equals 3 to the power of 5, so we don't really need to do any of this. We already see that 3 to the power of 5 equals 243, so we already know that x equals 5. So that's another way.